Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Adam. How are you today?
I am good. I am happy. And you?
I am good too. I feel calm and relaxed.
That is nice. Today, we will talk about a simple morning.
Yes, a lovely, simple morning at home.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I wake up at 7 too.
The sun is shining.
The room is bright.
I open my eyes slowly.
I stretch my arms.
I feel warm.
I feel peaceful.
I say, good morning.
I say, Good morning, Adam.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Repeat 3 times slowly. I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen too.
I make eggs.
I make toast.
The eggs are hot.
The toast is warm and crispy.
I pour orange juice.
I pour tea.
Breakfast smells good.
Breakfast tastes good.
We sit at the table.
We sit at the table.
We eat slowly.
We eat slowly.
Listen and repeat. Eggs,
Eggs,
toast,
toast,
juice,
juice,
tea,
tea,
breakfast,
breakfast,
kitchen,
kitchen,
morning.
morning.
Now, full sentences. I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Repeat again slowly. Sarah, what do you do after breakfast?
I wash the dishes. What about you?
I clean the table.
That is helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you. After that, I read a book.
I check my emails.
Is the book interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is a peaceful morning. What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee.
What do you do after coffee?
I start my work.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I love mornings.
Now, repeat the full dialogue again. We use simple present for daily routines. Examples. I wake up at 7. You eat breakfast. We drink tea. They go to work. Now let's practice. I wake up at... Sarah, our walk was nice.
Yes, Adam. The weather is beautiful today.
I walk back home.
Yes, we are back home.
I open the door.
I take off my shoes.
The house feels warm.
The house feels comfortable.
I sit on the sofa.
I sit next to you.
I feel relaxed.
I feel peaceful.
I am back home.
I feel relaxed.
My house is warm.
I sit on the sofa.
Repeat again. Slower. Again. Sarah, it is time to work.
Yes, it is time to work.
I open my laptop.
I open my notebook.
I check my emails.
I write my plans.
I focus on my tasks.
I complete my work slowly and carefully.
I like working in the morning.
Me too. I feel productive in the morning.
Laptop, notebook, work, email, task, focus, plan. Now, full sentences. I open my laptop. I check my emails. I finish my work. I focus on my tasks. Repeat 5 times. Sarah, I need a short break.
That is a good idea.
I make coffee.
I make green tea.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my legs.
Breaks are important.
Yes, breaks help us relax.
I drink my coffee slowly.
I enjoy my tea quietly.
I need a break. I drink coffee. I stretch my arms. Breaks are important. I have a job. I work in the morning. I like my job. I am happy with my work. I like my friends. I have many friends. We talk every day. We have fun together. We share our feelings. My phone is ringing. Who is calling? It is my friend John. That is nice. Hello, John. How are you? What does he say? He says he is fine. That is good. We talk for 10 minutes. Is it an interesting conversation? Yes, it is very interesting. Who is calling? It is my friend John. How are you? I am fine. Is the conversation interesting? Yes, it is very interesting. Repeat 3 times slowly. The afternoon is calm. Yes, it is quiet and peaceful. I read a book. I listen to soft music. The story is interesting. The music is relaxing. I feel calm. I feel happy. Simple days are beautiful. Yes, simple days are special. I work in the morning. I take a short break. I talk to my friend. I relax in the afternoon. I feel calm and happy. He works in the morning. She takes a break. They relax in the afternoon. I work in the morning. I take a short break. I talk to my friend. I relax in the afternoon. I feel calm and happy. He works in the morning. She takes a break. They relax in the afternoon. What do you do after lunch? I work in the morning. Do you take a break? Yes, I take a break. Do you call your friends? Yes, I call my friends. I study at home. I have books. I read the books. I learn new things. I enjoy studying. I also play games. I play games with my friends. We have fun together. I relax in the afternoon. I feel calm and happy. Do you call your friends? When do you call your friends? Do you call your friends in the morning?
Or do you call them in the evening?
How often do you call your friends?
Every day?
Once a week?
Once a month?
Now speak loudly. Now speak slowly. Now speak clearly. Repeat everything again. Hello, my friend. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am doing well. What are you doing now?
I am drinking tea.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is very relaxing.
Do you feel happy today?
Yes, I feel happy and calm. That is a lovely conversation.
Yes, simple conversations are important. I call my friend. My friend answers the phone. We talk for 10 minutes. We laugh together. We feel happy. Repeat 5 times slowly. Again. One more time. What do you say when you call a friend?
I say, hello, how are you?
What does your friend say?
My friend says, I am fine.
Do you ask about work?
Yes, I ask about work.
Do you ask about family?
Yes, I ask about family.
Now you answer. What do you say first? What does your friend say? Do you enjoy talking on the phone? Repeat again. We use present continuous for actions happening now. I am talking. You are listening. We are practicing. They are learning. Now repeat. I am speaking English. I am improving every day. I am learning slowly. I am becoming confident. Say it again and again. The evening is quiet.
Yes, the day is almost over.
I turn on the lamp.
I close the curtains.
The room is warm and cozy.
The lights are soft and calm.
I sit on the sofa.
I sit beside you.
How was your day?
My day was simple and good.
Mine too. My day was good. My day was simple. I talked to my friend. I worked hard. I feel proud. Now change the subject. Her day was good. His day was busy. Their day was long. Repeat again. Slowly. What do you do in the evening?
What do you do in the evening?
Do you watch TV?
Do you watch TV?
Do you read a book?
Do you read a book?
Do you talk to your family?
Do you talk to your family?
What time do you sleep?
What time do you sleep?
Do you sleep early?
Do you sleep early?
Now practice the full conversation from the beginning. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Say these sentences loudly. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me learn. I believe in myself. Repeat 5 times. Now whisper. Now speak normally. Now speak with confidence. Today we practiced speaking about daily life.
Yes, we practiced questions and answers.
We talked about calling friends.
We talked about evening routines.
Practice a little every day.
Slow practice is powerful.
Thank you for learning with English Podcast Home.
This is Learn English, episode 40.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.